Hey everyone! If you're an entrepreneur looking to take your brand to the next level, then you absolutely cannot ignore the power of social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Let's dive into why and how these platforms can be your brand's best friends. First off, the reach. Facebook and Instagram boast billions of active users. Yep, you heard that right, billions with a B. These platforms give you access to a massive audience all over the world, around the clock. Imagine getting your brand in front of thousands, if not millions, of potential customers daily. Now that's powerful. But it's not just about throwing content out there and hoping for the best. No, it's about strategic engagement. You see, social media is like a two-way street. It's not enough to just post, you need to engage. Reply to comments, start conversations, and show your audience that there's a real person behind the brand. This personal touch can transform followers into fans and fans into customers. Now let's talk about targeting. Facebook and Instagram offer sophisticated ad platforms that allow you to laser focus your advertisements. Want to reach young moms in New York? Or tech enthusiasts in Silicon Valley? These platforms have got you covered. By using targeted ads, you ensure that your marketing budget is being spent efficiently, reaching exactly the demographic you want. Content is king, but consistency is key. Regular posts keep your brand fresh in the minds of your audience. It's not just about making a sale today, it's about building a relationship that lasts. Consistent posting keeps your audience engaged and helps build trust over time. And remember, always bring value. Whether it's a tip, a laugh, or a promo, make sure your content enriches your audience's day in some way. Lastly, analytics are your best friend. Both Facebook and Instagram provide powerful tools to track what's working and what's not. Use this data to refine your strategy continually. See which posts get the most engagement and understand why. This is crucial for optimizing your efforts and ensuring maximum impact. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Facebook and Instagram. Be strategic, be consistent, and watch your brand grow beyond what you've ever imagined. This is your moment. Grab it.